In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy forms in Wix Studio without starting from scratch. First, go to the Wix website and sign in to your account. Once you are signed in, open your dashboard and choose the site you want to edit. This will take you into Wix Studio, where you can manage the content and layout of your website. Next, find the form you want to copy. Click directly on the form so it is selected. Make sure you are selecting the full form element and not just one field inside it. Once the form is selected, copy it using your keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl and C. On Mac, press Command and C. After that, paste the form by pressing Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. Wix Studio will create a duplicate of the original form on the page. You can then click and drag the copied form to place it exactly where you want it. This is useful if you need a similar form in another section of the same page. If you want to use the same form on a different page, open that page inside the editor and paste the copied form there as well. This lets you reuse the layout and structure without building the form again from the beginning. Once the form is pasted, review the fields carefully. You can edit the copied form to match its new purpose, change field labels, update required fields, or remove any parts you no longer need. This helps make sure the form fits the page where it will appear. You should also check the form connections after copying it. Confirm that it is still linked to the correct email notifications, automations, or dataset if your site uses one. This is an important step because a copied form may need its settings adjusted depending on where and how it will be used. When you finish editing, click Preview to test the copied form. Make sure it displays properly and works the way you expect. Try submitting a test entry if needed, just to confirm everything is connected correctly. Once you are happy with the result, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. This will update the site so visitors can see and use the copied form. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.